anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary. Pour a cheerful toast and fill it, happy anniversary. But be careful you don't spill it, happy anniversary. Oh, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary.
लेडीज एंड बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, स्वागत है आप सबका। मेरा नाम है ओशन शर्मा। हम लोग आए हैं ऑरेंज रॉक ई स्पोर्ट्स के यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज हम जानने वाले हैं ऐसे लोगों के बारे में जो बैकबोन रहे हैं। लोग पहली बार इनसे गुफ्तगू करेंगे, रूबरू होंगे और जानेंगे कि इनकी विजन क्या रहती है ऑरेंज रॉक जब बनी तब से एक साल में, और आगे का फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होल्ड करता है। सो गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन 1 year of Orange Rock.
Yeah, thank you, Ocean. Awesome. We're very excited. The win is very big for India and for the gaming community. So हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं यार, and we're very happy with everything that's been going on with the Indian gaming community, with PUBG, and we're very excited to talk to you.
Thank you very much. And with the start, first of all, I would like to introduce each and every one of them. You guys have seen obviously काफी इवेंट्स पर आप लोगों ने इनको कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा। कोई ना कोई लोग होते हैं ऑरेंज रॉक की जर्सी पहनकर खड़े होते हैं, बट आज इनसे आज सच हम प्रॉपर्ली बात करेंगे। So first of all, it's going to be Varun sir, it's going to be Ravi sir and Rangan sir. These three people are going to be out here, and हम लोग इनसे बात करने वाले हैं कि ऑरेंज रॉक जो नाम आया, पहली चीज वो कहाँ से, why ऑरेंज रॉक and how did you come up with that name?
Oh my God, that is actually a very good story. Yeah, go ahead.
So I think we had like 500 names which we came up with, and then we spent months and months going over all those names individually, and then I think we landed at like I think 5 to 6 names finally after a couple of months.
Yeah, we had a lot of different names. हमारे पास मतलब बहुत funky names भी थे उसमें से जो भी अच्छा दिखा pick up करे, और सब लोगों को ये नाम अच्छा लगा, and this wasn't even in the top favorite at one point. उसके बाद सब लोग बोले कि यही this is the best name that we like, and it became the favorite.
All right, seems like we have a guest out here. Someone just arrived here, so I would like to see that person as well up front. So Mavi, can you just turn up your camera? Oh my God!
PC से आता.
This is what he is, and so Mavi, how are you comfortable around big bosses?
ठीक है.
अब मावी की आवाज नहीं निकल रही पहले जैसे बोलता है। मैं मावी से पूछना चाहूंगा, हाउ मच हैव यू कन्वर्सेटेड विद लाइक रंगन और विद रवि, बिकॉज वरुण भैया से तो बहुत बार बात होती है।
रंगन से तो बस काम की बात होती है या फिर पार्टी की बात होती है।
वही है ना,
बाकी बातें रवि और वरुण सर के साथ तो इक्वल रहता है, मतलब दोनों।
तो मामी का क्या है ना, जब मजा लेने का है ओशन को कॉल करो, बाकी प्लेयर्स को कॉल करो, वरुण को कॉल करो। जब किसी को तन करने का है ना, पहले वो मेरे को टेस्ट करता है, अरे देख लो वो।
Like I would like to ask all four of you, like अभी तो जो ये सब हुआ, इसके एक साल बाद 1 year has happened. 1 year में Orange Rock is like representing at the global area. I'd like to start from Mavi only. Like इसके बाद आपका विजन क्या रहेगा with the team, with the players, with the management की आगे आने वाले tournaments में what, like I know world number 1 is out there, but how are you planning to go for it?
देखो अभी सब कुछ स्टेबल ही चल रहा था, तो हम लोग ज्यादा कुछ मतलब ना ही कोई स्ट्रेटेजी एंड ऑल, ना ही किसी मतलब ज्यादा छेड़छाड़ नहीं करेंगे। पहले जो फ्लो चल रहा है इस फ्लो को चलने देंगे। अगर कुछ दिक्कत आती है तो टाइम टू टाइम जो भी चीज की नीड हुई, कोई चीज की जरूरत पड़ी या कोई स्ट्रेटेजी के चेंज हुआ या गेम प्ले का चेंज, मतलब जो भी गेम अंदर और गेम के बाहर का कुछ भी चेंज होना हो तो वो हम टाइम टू टाइम देख लेंगे। अभी फ्लो चल रहा है तो उसको चलने दो, तो मेरा तो यही कहना है।
That is one way of saying we will not reveal our strategies on stream. Thank you.
ये बहुत जो मेरे को एक बार जब गुस्सा आया था, जब कमेंट्स में, तो कमेंट्स बहुत पढ़ता हूँ मैं, सब कुछ देखता हूँ, एंड लाइक जब वो कैंपर्स का शुरू हुआ था, धीरे से सब लोग बोल रहे थे ओआर कैंपर्स। मेरे दिमाग में इतने गालियां आए, मैं बोल भी नहीं सकता हूँ अभी। जब मावी स्काउट सब लोग ने जाके, मतलब बिकॉज दे आर वेरी अग्रेसिव प्लेयर्स बॉस, लाइक दे आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अग्रेसिव प्लेयर्स दैट द कम्युनिटी should actually see how they play, but they play very smart. दिमाग लगा के खेलते हैं, ऐसी नहीं कि गन दिखा जाके मारो। The fact that we started topping in kills everywhere, and even if you look at the overall kill standing, we were pretty I think we were still number 1 or number 2, and तो OR campers का जब चल रहा था वो बहुत मजे का था।
We love it when fans give us these hashtags because we can use it on social media.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Tag over campers, we are happy. Give us That's attention. We love it.
So with that only, I would like to ask you, just like you said, we love it when people give us those hashtags. So I'd like to ask you कि हमारा Orange Rock का जो Instagram page और जो YouTube channel रहता है, how is it different from other YouTube channels? बाकियों पे strategies discuss होती हैं, बातें discuss होती हैं, हमारे channels पे memes बनते हैं.
मैं उसका आंसर देता हूँ. उसका मेन रीजन हमारे ग्रुप में एक बंदा है, उसका नाम है रवि. जो रवि का एक ही मकसद है दुनिया में सबको ट्रोल करने का. ठीक है, मेरे को ट्रोल करेगा. तो रवि हैड सेड दैट बॉस व्हाई आर वी पोस्टिंग ऑल दिस. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दिस. सो आई वाज लाइक ये सब क्या सीरियस बातें चल रहे हैं. लेट्स वी आर हियर टू हैव फन. हम लोग ऑरेंज रॉक मजा लेने के लिए करे थे, टू मेक इंडिया नंबर 1 विद फन. तो लेट्स हैव फन विद इट. लेट बी व्हाटएवर वी फेल्ट लाइक और वी फील लाइक और वी वांट टू शो. मजा करते हैं यार, गेम है ये थोड़ी, मतलब, and it's a fun community. तो वहां से शुरू हुआ.
I would like to ask you, watching Mavi from that day one from Indian Tigers to grow right now, how have you seen his growth overall as a player, as an individual and everything?
I think after we got the team, we signed them on, and only when they came to the boot camp is when I actually went and I was spectating them play a game. I think it was some tournament qualifier. I think it was CMIT or something like that. And then I was just sitting behind everyone and watching. I mean, I have nothing to comment. I don't know the game. And then I went to Ribbi and Varun and I'm like, Mavi is easily the best player in India.
Mavi is very straight to the point. He gets stuff done. उसका क्या है कि I think a lot of people misunderstand him. कि Mavi ने टीम को 60,000, 80,000 टीम से number 2 तक लेके आया. Like in the sense of like we the entire, I mean, it is not just Mavi, but I mean like all the players and everyone else who supported it. बट उसमें जितना प्रेशर है जो लाइक हर मैच में, हर गेम में, हर मिनट में, वो वी न्यू दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट ट्रबल देम. इवन व्हेन मैचेस आर गोइंग ऑन वी डोंट टेक्स्ट. वी three of us text, me, Ravi and Varun text all the time, but we're like, I don't text them, let them finish or let them and we discuss random stuff. But हमारा so वो pressure है Mavi में, and Mavi wants to be number 1. He's a very driven guy. I think in terms of skills and all that, everyone has skills. Everyone, can be. There's no one who can't be defeated, I feel, in my own view. But what it takes is hunger, passion, वो focus, सब कुछ like लेके एक मैच में, एक पल में जो करता है वो Mavi करता है, and so do all the other players as well. So we're very proud of the everyone who's worked with the team and really brought it up. So yeah,
I just want to add to that, like Mavi has like one motto. The first day we met him till today, there's only one thing he lives by. I want to improve every day. Jo bhi ho jata, I want to improve every day. And that passion, that hunger, that dedication to the game is unparalleled. And that's why he shines so much in the PUBG community.
I killed him in TDM once.
I mean, in TDM, so I'm the best player among. Other than Mavi, I'm the best player. Mavi.
वरुण सर जीत गए थे.
Like आप लोगों का favorite game कौन सा है apart from PUBG Mobile? Like which game do you guys like playing a lot?
So just so you know, हम लोग we're all hardcore gamers. हम लोग ऐसी कोई corporate company के ये लोग नहीं है. हम लोग like we're really good at games. We feel, at least in our own bubble. And जैसा Ribbi is supposed to be the best sniper, self-proclaimed, अपने आप को बोलता है, मैं उसको no scope देता हूँ. My favorite game is I'm more of a first-person shooter, Counter-Strike. But right now I've been playing Valorant quite a bit. Valorant has become my favorite game. और Valorant में भी 180 no scope दे रहा हूँ. थोड़ी videos भेजूँगा.
For me, it's like the first ever game I played was Red Alert 2, Command and Conquer Red Alert 2. I love strategy games. Like Ravi was saying, we used to play StarCraft back in the days, super long hours. We played Counter-Strike. Like I like all games, whatever is current. I like Fall Guys. Mavi is not accepting my friend request on stream. See, I do play a lot of CS as well.
Ribbi बेचारा बहुत underrated है. Ribbi is like one of the best players I actually know. Like yeah.
So my I think all-time favorite game is I've been playing it for 15 years. I think now is World of Warcraft. And I still play it. But my two favorite genres of games are like playing real-time strategy, trading card games, And I also play a lot of board games. I love playing board games. Like I love playing Settlers of Catan. I like playing Risk.
So
Yeah, but
I would say that's a good thing, I would say.
But since we have a PUBG Mobile team, I'm the best at PUBG Mobile.
And plus, I would like to ask you three guys as well, alongside Mavi. You remember जब Orange Rock PMPL में rank 1 आई थी, तो उस टाइम obviously जब वो first rank पर पहुंची थी, तो उस टाइम आपका reaction क्या था?
We were so hyped. Like we were just feeling bad that we couldn't be together. And if we were together, we were thrown like the biggest party ever at that point. Like everyone will have like a champagne bottle popping.
Yeah, just to add to that, if this situation was different, Rangan would have caught the next flight and been in Hyderabad, throwing the biggest party ever. Yeah, go on.
मेरे को the biggest देखो the moment even when we came second and like we won and we've made India so proud, like literally like we would be partying like crazy just because I know the amount of effort that everyone has put in. सब लोग ने जितना effort डाला है is just maddening. We're all like a family. तो हमारे लिए हार या जीत एक ही है. Like for me it's like the effort that everyone put in is what we want to celebrate. तो वो बहुत मिस करा था कि हम लोग पार्टी नहीं कर सकते. And but hopefully like in the future तो double triple parties तो होना ही चाहिए अभी.
वो PMPL के बाद मेरे को बहुत मैं खुशी के आंसू रो दिया कि हाँ मेरी मेहनत अभी जो मैंने एफर्ट डाला वो उससे मतलब अच्छा रिजल्ट निकला उसका.
Like जो बैक टू बैक जीते थे एक बार और मेरी तो फिर गई. मैं तो like वो यूरेका की तरह मैं तो भागना शुरू करा घर में. मैं बोला ये है हमारा टीम. तो it was crazy. Yeah, like I wish we were all together. That was awesome and we were very proud of it as well. Yeah.
But once again, we're not letting him go. He's signed for like another 49-50 years. We're not letting him go.
Like,
Just saying.
So I would like to ask each and every one of you, because before we just sum it up and everything, like what are your views for the future of Orange Rock, plus if there's any message to the fans of this community, because एक साल हम लोगों ने किया है, एक साल this has been a really roller coaster of a journey. So if there's any message from each and every one of you.
So message to the fans,
community, everyone.
Most important message that I really want to give is साथ में रहो यार. Please be together. You're representing the Indian community and सब लोग एक ही family है. तो आप अगर हम लोग TSM के बारे में बात करें, हम लोग जो भी पूरे एक family है, पूरे बहुत दोस्त है. Like we are all very close. Support the Indian gaming community. हम लोग Orange Rock India को number 1 in everything लेके जाना चाहते हैं. तो that is the plan. And so stay together and support players. Abhi COVID times hai, please wear masks. So much advice I can give, but everyone stay safe, be there for one another, or love each other, be happy and be silly, boss. Or life enjoy karo. Ye pure nonsensical stuff mein jao mat. Mast raho, अच्छा बिरयानी खाओ. That is my only advice to the community. बाकी पूरा भाड़ में गया अभी. I don't care.
Yeah, for me, I think Rangan summed it up perfectly. I would just like to add, you guys, the fan, keep supporting us and we'll keep coming number 1. I know we came number 2, but PMWL 62 will come number 1 for sure. And comment section, spam below. We always love that. We're all about the trolls. We're all about the memes. So yeah, OROP. Cheers.
Yeah, for me as well, the same thing. I mean, for us, it was not like Orange Rock should come first or something, right? We set up the team to get an Indian team to represent globally, right? And that's what we're always trying to achieve, and that's what we will try to achieve. We want India to be at the level where every other country is, right? And we've proven that we can do it. And that's what we'll keep trying to achieve as well. And that'll always be our goal.
I have a question that everyone's asking. जो रंगन सर ने हुडी पहन रखी है, वो उस पे कब जाएगी, वेबसाइट पे कब जाएगी?
ये टेस्ट हुडी है अभी कोविड के बाद. प्रोडक्शन तो अभी चालू नहीं है, तो पूरे फैक्ट्रीज पूरे बंद है.
मैं यूएस जाऊंगा, वहां पे घूमूंगा, उसके बाद हुडी लेके आऊंगा.
That sums up the interview, ladies and boys and girls. अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया यहाँ तक, अगर आप लोगों ने देखा है, लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा.
इसका हो गया, कट करो.
मैं बोलूं आलू डालो, सोना निकालो.
समझ रहे हो?
बट स्टिल अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आता है, लाइक करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है, दैट्स ऑल आउट देयर फॉर यू गाइज. एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर गिविंग अ प्रीशियस टाइम आउट इन दिस वन. आप लोगों ने अपना टाइम दिया, दैट एक्चुअली मीन्स अ लॉट फॉर द फैंस एज वेल, फॉर द कम्युनिटी एज वेल. एंड व्हेन आई से OR, you guys say OP. OR.
OP.
बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो यार।
हाथ जोड़ के विनती है कि बिनोचड़ी वालों
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए।
बाय गाइस, सोना निकालो, आलू डालो।
मस्त जोक मारा रे, ये हंस रहे हलकट हंस नहीं।